Hi everyone, Mike Weiss with Zen Planner, and today I'm so excited to talk all things Zen Planner Engage. So this first session is all going to be about how to attract leads, and that really begins with your website. So we're going to help you and show you how to design a website that clearly communicates your offer, allows prospects to book with you, and book free trials, and makes it really easy for them to get a hold of you. First of all, 90% of people make an internet search before making a purchase, and that's no different for gyms. Having a website builds credibility, and if you don't have one, now is a great time to get started. Now, while a Facebook page or a Yelp listing can help, they do have some limits. They may not provide all the details customers need and can lead to managing lots of back and forth, scheduling, and communication. So a website that handles it all in just a few clicks, turning visitors into members, and that's just how you grow your fitness business. The top 5 best practices for a high converting website. 1, answer questions. What does that mean? Well, you need to include everything a potential member needs. What's your phone number, your address, your pricing, introductions to who coaches at your facility, your schedule, images of your member, of your community, and some frequently asked questions. 2, capture leads. 1, you got to make that super easy. Automatically capture leads with forms, landing pages, and two-way text. 3, share reviews and testimonials to build trust and credibility. 4, enable members and leads to self-serve online, allow them to update contact information, book classes, and pay for their membership. 5, offer 24/7 access. Now, your site's always going to be living, but you want to make it really easy for those people to get a hold of you and leverage things like conversation AI to interact with people at all times of the day. Finally, your site needs to be responsive. We know about 75% of people are navigating to websites in local markets on their phone. So if your website's not responsive for a desktop or mobile, you're really missing out on a lot of opportunity. So you might be thinking, hey, I'm not super technical. I outsource this. This feels a bit overwhelming. But guess what? It doesn't have to be. With Zen Planner Engage, you can launch a fully optimized website in just a day or two using the experience you already have. Keep watching for step-by-step instructions on how to do just that. So how easy is it to build your website with Zen Planner Engage? Well, let me tell you, super easy. First, you're going to head over to the campaign marketplace here on the menu once you're logged into Zen Planner Engage. And from here, you're going to see a couple of different menu options. First, campaigns. These are all of our marketing automation campaigns across the entire client lifecycle. So these are available in every Zen Planner Engage account. But for this example, we're going to head over to websites. Now, when you log in to the website section, you're going to see a multitude of templates. Whether you're a CrossFit facility, you're just doing some kind of general group fitness, or maybe you're a martial arts facility and you really want something that's on brand, but you don't have to think about, do I have the right images? Do I have the right menu navigation? It's all there for you. Once you decide on a template that looks right for your brand, all you have to do is click this red button that says add to your account, and within 5 to 10 seconds, you're going to see this inside of your account. To customize and update your website, it's going to be super easy to do. All you need to do is navigate to sites and then find your website template you just added. So we're going to take a look at a martial arts template. So first and foremost, all of the pages that are pre-built for you are living right here on the screen. So if you want to edit any one of these pages, all you have to do is click this nice little edit button. And then from here, you're going to see your live website. So it's really great. All you have to do if you want to customize it is you just click in any one of these modules. You can start changing or typing. If you don't like this word, you just delete that, and now you have it. Now, let's say you want to add things to your website like an image. Well, we have these modules, these quick elements over here, and you can find any of them. So if I want this image, I can drag it over here. That image pops up, and then all I have to do is click on the right rail, and now I have an option for picking an image that works well for my brand. All right, now that you saw how easy it is to edit your website, let's show you a couple of ways you can capture leads. To capture leads, it's essential to have clear contact information on the website, as I showed you a few moments ago. But now I want to show you how to build lead capture forms to make it super easy for leads to opt in, and you can start to run automated campaigns to help convert them into members. So first and foremost, you'll also navigate to sites and then click on the forms link. And then from there, you'll see your options that are already pre-built. But if you want to build a custom form, it's as easy as clicking Add Form. Now, let's jump into this Get Started form. All right, so our recommendation is to use the basic contact information to capture leads. First name, last name, email, and phone. But if you want to add additional fields to your form, it's really easy to do by hitting the little plus button. And then you have a lot of different options here. And if you see something you want to add to your form, but it's not available, you also have these custom field options where you can add additional information that's not already on the quick add menu. And that's how easy it is to capture leads on your website. All right, a key part of every good website is showcasing the experience your members are having at your facility. So we know reviews and testimonials are crucial. About 92% of consumers choose a local business with at least a 4-star rating. So getting positive reviews on your site is vital for building credibility. I'll have another video that dives deeper into this topic, so let's keep it brief for now. So first you're going to do is navigate to the reputation menu, and you're going to see all of the reviews that you have on your site. So first and foremost, to set up your review engine, you're going to want to navigate to settings. And then from there, you're going to see a couple of different options like Reviews AI that automatically responds to any positive reviews you get on social. In addition to that, this is where you can set up your SMS review information as well as your email reviews as well. Now, we recommend setting up Google reviews first. And the reason for that is twofold. One, the more reviews you have on Google, the more likely Google is going to rank you up when people are searching for your gym in your local area. So build more reviews on Google, attract more leads, and then you should move on to Facebook reviews. So once you have enough reviews, it's important to get those reviews on your website and share them on your social media. So we make it super easy to add reviews to your website using our widgets. Check this out. So once you navigate to the widget section, you're going to see your reviews start pulling in and get a preview of what your widget will look like on the site. Now, you can edit this widget and change the style and formatting, or create a new widget to use on any page of the website. So let's take a look what options you have in terms of building a widget. So let's go ahead and create new. So first and foremost, you can actually sort your reviews by Google and Facebook. In addition to that, you can change the layout from a grid to a list view, or if you want to do a carousel, we have that option as well. The other thing that's important for reviews, you really want to show all of the positive reviews. There's 4 and 5 stars. So you can select your minimum rating here. And then you have complete control over terms of the visualization of the review module for your website. So you can adjust your content, the heading and description. You can adjust your colors and make it really fit your brand. And once you're all ready to go, you have an embed code for your website, or if you're using our website builder, there's a module where you can embed reviews directly with that quick add action. All right, let's talk 24/7 availability. What does that mean for your website? Well, websites are always up and running, but the key thing is how can you make your website living and breathing so people can interact with you at all hours of the day? Well, 76% of customers notice and appreciate responses in real time. A prompt response to an inbound message boosts customer satisfaction. So whether it's a lead coming to your website or a member that has questions about how to adjust or upgrade their membership, having a live chat widget on your website is super, super important. So you can see on this demo site, we have this live chat right here and available. Now, super easy to interact, provide your basic contact information, and now let the AI chat start to answer questions for you. So how do you set up an AI chat? Well, let me show you. I just shared how important it is to have 24/7 availability on your website. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a chat widget on your site. So first, you're going to navigate to Sites and then the Chat Widget tab. And then from there, let's go ahead and create a new widget. Let's select Live Chat. And what's great about this is you have a ton of options in terms of customization. First, you can pick the style. Do you want it to be with an avatar or not? Change the icon. You can change colors to match your brand. And then down here, you get to customize where the widget lives on your site. So if you want it in the middle of the page, it's as simple as clicking this button here. You can also customize messaging as well as the greeting that the chat does, and then allow our conversation AI to take over the conversation when people chat in and answer some common questions and help people book appointments. It's important for customers to be able to self-serve from your site. This allows them to see your schedule, book classes and appointments, and log in to make changes to contact information, payment information, and purchase memberships. Now, it's super easy to add elements to your site as we explained before, but let me show you how you put a booking calendar for new leads on your site. So hit the quick actions button and let's go ahead and scroll down to calendar. And I'm just going to drag it under this heading. I'm going to pick my calendar. And now I've made it super easy for people to book appointments on my site. So you want to see that live? Let's check it out. And now here's the live website with the booking calendar. They can pick their times and schedule an appointment with you. All right, I just gave you 5 best practices for a high converting website. Now, one last tip. Your website should be responsive no matter what device people are using, whether that's a phone, a tablet, or a desktop. Now, the great thing about Zen Planner sites is they are built from the ground up with those things in mind. But to make changes or edits on whether it's a mobile site or the desktop site, we make it super easy. Check this out. Now, when you're on any page you're editing on the website, you have 2 options over here. You have a desktop version and a mobile version. So if you want to make tweaks just to the mobile version, select this up here, and now you can customize the site specifically for mobile devices. So when your template is ready, you can publish your site just by saving your template and selecting the publish button over here in the top right. And you're all set to start attracting and converting leads into members. If you don't use Zen Planner Engage yet, schedule a demo with our team to learn more. If you already use and need assistance, join at one of our weekly success sessions and we can work with you to ensure you're set up for success. Thank you.